All right, welcome back everybody. Let's talk about this winter storm watch that we have in the higher elevations of western and southwestern Montana, above about 6,500 feet, 6 to 12 inches of snow. I think this winter storm watch could be expanded to include more of the Rocky Mountain front and maybe all the way out to the Elkhorns as well. All right, before we get to the snow though, we've got couple more days of rain and thunderstorms. Helena, we've cleared out. East Helena, that was a nasty thunderstorm, and that moved right down Highway 12, right through the Townsend area as well. I think we're in the clear here for the rest of tonight. As we go into the Great Falls area, about to see that line of storms move on off towards the east, but here comes some thunderstorms again up around the Augusta area. I have friends camping in Mortimer Gulch area, west of Augusta. Look at those storms coming down off the Rocky Mountain front. We do have some nasty weather north central Montana, including a severe thunderstorm warning right there, kind of the south end of the Bear Paw Mountains, maybe some large hail with that storm. And boy, Fergus County, that line that came through Great Falls is now pushing across Fergus County, and we've got some storms that'll eventually be heading up into the northeast part of the state in just a few hours. Helena probably clear, but you know what, the computer model is not picking up on those storms coming off the Rocky Mountain front that may drift across the Great Falls area. Look at those storms all the way up into northeast Montana. And then we've got the next round of rain for tomorrow. Light rain through the morning hours with an isolated thunderstorm, but watch into the afternoon. The storms gain some strength and energy, and north central Montana, some of those nasty thunderstorms could be severe. Large hail, damaging winds. We'll have some showers and thunderstorms around the Helena area, Great Falls as well, but more intense thunderstorms out in this part of the state. Look at this, through the overnight hours into Saturday morning, more wet weather. And Saturday does not look like a very nice day. Here's the precipitation totals going all the way through Tuesday morning when everything should come to an end. And the yellows and the dark greens, about an inch, 2 inches of rain. A lot of us looking at least a ½ inch to 2 inches of rain, plus that snow in the mountains. See, now the computer models have shifted again, and they've brought some heavier snow up to the glacier area and the Rocky Mountain front. So we'll see what happens, but the mountains will be getting snow this weekend, and the lower elevations more in the way of showers and thunderstorms. Tonight, I think the Helena area again, probably in the clear. Tomorrow, light rain in the morning, some big thunderstorms in the afternoon, strong to severe thunderstorms. Lewistown, Havre, Glasgow, large hail, damaging wind. Saturday, just kind of a soaking rain at times in the western part of the state. Severe storms up in the eastern part of the state, an elevated risk of storms there. Sunday may have a little sun mixed in, and then some thunderstorms firing in the afternoon. And here we go into Monday. Still some wet weather. This is an unusual late June storm. July 1st is coming up on Wednesday. Of course, the 4th of July is on Saturday. And we've got some wet weather ahead of that holiday, and yeah, a wet weekend here for the last weekend of June.
MTN News at 5